Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Denise Marie. I am so excited to be bringing you this video today. This video is going to be a makeover video. Right now, my daughter's room has a unicorn theme going on, and we're going to be redoing it in a boho theme. So I'm super excited for that. I'm also excited because this video is in collab with my very sweet friend, Miss Erica. Her channel name is She Wolf Mom, and she has really great content on there. She loves decorating, cleaning. Oh my gosh, and she just redid her cabinets. So definitely go and make sure to click the link in the description box so you can watch her video after you're done watching mine. And if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and definitely hit that subscribe button. And let's go ahead and get started. We decided to take down her unicorn picture that she had. She loved that picture so much, but she was ready to do something new. And I actually got these stick-on stickers from Shein or Shein. I think they were like $2 or $3 and so easy to put on and take off, and they do not damage her wall. So next I'm going to be putting up this cute nightlight. This is actually a gift from her tia, and it says love, hope, and dreams. So I have to give my husband a big shout out because he definitely helped me a lot with this video. He first of all put up these cute little IKEA shelves for my daughter's room. He also put up some hooks that you'll see later on for her to put her sweater or her little backpack on, her little purse that she uses. And then he also helped me sand a little chair that you'll see later on as well. So before, she had this cute little sticker that we're also putting up from Shein or Shein, however you say that. She had a unicorn sticker there from Dollar Tree that she loved a lot, and we just went ahead and updated that as well. So in case you're wondering, I had a lot of this decor on hand from the Target dollar spot, all the little wood pieces and wood sayings. A lot of it is all from the Target dollar spot. I had it on hand from I'm not gonna lie, probably a year ago, and I was just saving it for when or if I used it, or if maybe it would come in hand for somebody else, because as we know, the Target dollar spot is, you know, $1, $3, $5 at the most. If you've been following me for a while now, and if you follow me on Instagram, you know I love thrift shopping. So these cute little white frames are actually from the thrift store. I have had these since she was born. So I've had these for like 9 years now. And I just printed out 2 little sayings and popped them in there and thought these were so cute. Also, this rug is from the Five and Below store. So this cute little pillow I got on clearance for $5 from At Home. And I thought it would just go so perfect with the cute little eyelashes. And I think it looks great. And then next you're going to see me put on her cute throw blanket. If you're wondering where this is from, it's from the Target spot. I'm sorry, not the Target spot, but it's from Target as well. But I actually got it from the discount store here in San Antonio that carries a lot of Target, and it was $10. So this cute little boho basket, I know I keep saying cute, but everything's just so cute. This cute basket is from Target as well. I believe it was 15, and I just thought it would be a cute little addition to her room. I'm using one of my blankets that I already had, and this pillow is also from the Target dollar spot. So this cute little stool is from Amazon. I found it at a discount store for $7, and my husband helped me sand this down as well. So that was the last piece of decor. Are you ready for the reveal? Because here it is.
Love my books like hanging right here.
You do?
Because like then I feel like not just open the closet and like go through everything. Because I have so many books and I can never choose what kind of books I have and which book I have because I have so many books in my closet. And so like I like how I have all my books like nicely neat and right here, but in my closet it's messy.
It's not messy, you just have a lot of books in there.
And me and my mom, we did everything together in this room. I enjoyed every single little thing.
So if you have stayed to the end, thank you so much for watching this video all the way through. I greatly appreciate it. And thank you so much to all my new subscribers. I greatly appreciate you. I wouldn't be doing this without you. So I just want you to know that I appreciate all of you, and I appreciate you watching my videos and also taking the time to comment. Also, thank you so much to Erica for collabing with me. I'm so grateful that we got to collab again, and I can't wait for us to do it again in the future. Again, make sure to go and hit the link in the description box to watch her video as well. And if you have any questions or comments, definitely leave it down below. Let me know what your favorite part about this video was. Bye.